Mayabang po. Kahit si nanay na mayabang sa sleeveless, pinalamig ng konti. Babe. Perfect.
Naku, bola ko.
Sa sauna. You know, honestly, very challenging yung trip na to because sobrang namin pinili lang yung mga dala namin na gamit. As in, kasi nga, may mga train na magaganap. Bonjour! Bonjour! Nababa ni Annalyn sa ni Yaya Joe ang mga kamalitahan. At natulog si GAB at si Isabella. We are in France! Yes! So inagahan niyo yung pag-ready? Tapos nung paano na, nag-stay na kayo sa gilid. Kayo yung una. Ano, kamusta mga kalamnan? May laban pa? Hayaan mo, steak ang dinner mamayang gabi. Today, magsha-shoutout tayo sa ating resident chef. Hi, Yaya Annalyn, say hello. Yan, si Yaya Annalyn. Yan ang aming ginagawa. Ayan. May bao kami Eden cheese. Maglalagay kami for our cheese omelette. And then we bought butter, French butter, para sosyal ang aming omelette. Itlog. So, ang breakfast namin today, oatmeal, cheese omelette. Ito ay fish. Siyempre, pag Pinoy, meron tayong kanin. Meron tayong saging. Bread. Yan. At hindi rin naman nawawala na bago. Every day, my kids, they take choco barley. Isabella, she takes like 3 of this sa isang araw. Sa morning, sa afternoon, at bago siya matulog. So, happy kami dito kasi she gets, so kung all in all, mga 6 grams of pure organic barley kasi may 2 grams of barley sa isang ganito. Ako naman, everyday, oh my gosh, parehas lang pala kami na nako-consume na barley ni Isabella everyday kasi 2 sachets ako eh. So, 6 grams of barley. Kaya, ang healthy ni Isabella pala. Yun ang katotohanan. Ako, 2 sachets every day. Dala namin yan. Tapos, Isabella, kaya, alam mo yung anak ko na yun, hindi nagkakasakit masyado. Kasi pala, naka-barley yun eh.
Okay, here we go. Yes, what's going on with your hair?
I love it here.
Tulo ah.
Ay! Sabi niya lang na may tumutulo. Siyempre, natuluan tayo.
Okay naman yun, may umiihilang sa taas.
Umiihilang daw sa taas, okay lang naman yan. Tumitigil. Ako lang sa buong Paris ang naka-sleeveless ngayon. Nasabi ni Robin, backless. Bakit ka naka-backless? Sabi ko, ha? Hindi ako naka-backless.
Dito mahalaga ang pedestrian.
Yeah.
Giniginaw ka.
No, actually, I wanted to put it here para mas makita ka. Not because giniginaw ko, I love it. No, gusto ko mas makita ka. Kaya winate ko siya. Why? Diba?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Let's go to the finish line. She can make it, right? Okay. Oh, is this it?
This is the special croissant place that Tita Amy was looking for. That is the name of the store, the Boulangerie. And we're gonna check it out. Do you want croissant or do you want us to buy some pizza? And
Croissant.
you like croissant? Okay. Well, let's go and buy.
That is why right? Yeah, I know.
Mmm.
Babe. Perfect.
Bolang ko.
Rock.
Mmm.
Talaga, thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Yan yung mga... Yun nga.
Walang sinabi sila trend de blue. Sarap.
Lumutang ba?
Sarap. Alam mo, malamig. Ay!
Mag-will work like this na lang.
Meron siyang ano ba, pang-load para ano, gusto niya. So, gonna buy kahit si nanay na mayabang sa sleeveless, pinalamig ng konti.
I have a better way of hiding.
Wow! Ang ano is windy.
Right? Oh, yun ang energy niya. Lumabas ka.
Yes! Oh, nice to meet you. Famous, huh?
How did you do it? Look!
Oo.
I got Stitch.
Hindi na lalaglag?
May magic. Okay, there's a pink one.
I want the big one is for me, I think. Oh my god.
You guys have to switch characters. Because this one is Isabella size. This is Gabriela size. Okay?
No, I don't want
Try it on.
that for one.
The other one is 160. Try it on.
What is 160 so big? I don't care if it's in big.
Ano na?
Happy? Happy. Let's go.
Go outside.
That's the villain shop.
Hi, Gabs!
Oh, may ice cream. Oh, this one's yours. Who wants the other one?
Yan. Di makagalaw. Tapos, dahil pinaprotektahan namin. They're doing the ballet. This is one of my most favorite rides. And, okay, baka daw mahulog ko pa. Walang Philippines dito.
Roman, Italia.
Nibs. It's
You're
for
right.
ramen.
In India, you're right.
Nanay, India. Kinain yung may 1 euro ka ba?
Meron.
Yun.
Tamaan. Pumapuy ah. Ay. Ayun. Wow. Okay, may nagyayabang po.
Wala na.
Wala nang bala.
Enjoy
Yeah.
naman ako.
Good. Okay. Nagpapagising ng ulirat.
Oo. That's the word.
Yeah.